Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your iPhone and Instagram are updated. Outdated software often breaks the share list. Once done, force close Instagram by swiping the app card up, then reopen it to clear temporary glitches. If the share list still shows wrong contacts or is empty, restart the iPhone to refresh system services. Make sure to check Settings, General Software Update, and the App Store for app updates before moving on to deeper fixes. Next, target permissions that populate the share list. Go to Settings, find Instagram, and toggle Contacts off and then on so iOS regrants access. This forces the share suggestions to rebuild. If Instagram requests Bluetooth or local network access, enable them briefly because iOS can use those services for proximity-based suggestions. If toggling doesn't fix anything, uninstall and reinstall Instagram to clear the app cache and force a fresh sync with iOS contacts and suggestions. To finish, rebuild the iOS share suggestions that feed Instagram. Open Settings Siri and search, find Instagram, and toggle suggestions in search and look up off then on. This reindexes the app for share targets. Sign out of Instagram and sign back in to refresh account linkages and contact syncing. If the share list still misbehaves, back up your iPhone and update iOS or reach out to Instagram support. One common troubleshooting tip: test with a different iPhone to isolate device versus account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.